The new 2023 NEC text, for 110.16b, states that, in other than dwelling units, in addition to the requirements, in 110.16a, a permanent arc flash label shall be field or factory applied to service equipment and feeder supplied equipment, rated 1000 amperes or more. The arc flash label shall be in accordance with applicable industry practice and include the date the label was applied. The label shall meet the requirements of 110.21b. Informational note number 1 states that see ANSI Z535.4, 2011, R 2017, Product Safety Signs and Labels, for guidelines for the design of safety signs and labels for application to products. Informational note number 2 states that CNFPA 70E 2021 Standard for Electrical Safety in the Workplace for applicable industry practices for equipment labeling. This standard provides specific criteria for developing arc flash labels for equipment that provides nominal system voltage, incident energy levels, arc flash boundaries, minimum required levels of personal protective equipment, and so forth. Panel 1 notes that first revision number 8772, NFPA 70, 2021, has modified the informational notes to update the edition dates and comply with the 2020 NEC Style Manual. Feeder supplied equipment was added to the title and requirements of 110.16b, as the panel concludes that the requirements in 110.16b must apply to both service equipment and feeder supplied equipment in other than dwelling units. The phrase arc flash was added to clarify the type of permanent label required. The revision from 1200 amps to 1000 amps increases worker safety. List items 1 through 4 and the exception were deleted, with the concepts from these list items and exception relocated into the text of 110.16b in sentence and paragraph rather than list format. Acceptable is changed to applicable, which eliminates a possible unenforceable and vague term per Table 3.2.1 of the NEC Style Manual. A revision has been made to clarify that the requirements in 110.16b apply to both service equipment and feeder supplied equipment rated 1000 amps or more in other than dwelling units. The revision from 1200 amps to 1000 amps increases worker safety. A new sentence was added to clarify that the arc flash label shall be in accordance with applicable industry practice and include the date the label was applied. The revision of 110.16b has incorporated the words "the arc flash label shall be in accordance with acceptable industry practice" that helps address the concepts of clearing times when arc energy reduction mode is applied with, and the values without arc energy values being applied, and arc flash incident energy level or clearing time in accordance with acceptable industry practice.